Hey guys, this is James and welcome to a new episode of Each and Every Effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. And today we're going to talk about scientific filter in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you process your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro, you will not use that effect very often. I don't use it also, but let's learn about it, right? So if I go to effects panel and then if I go to audio effects under this filter and EQ group, you'll see scientific filter. If I just click and drag it, I can apply the filter. Of course, you have to go to effects control panel to change the parameters. If I click on edit, you will see a filter that is looking like parametric equalizer, right? You will see the graph that is looking like parametric equalizer. If I select a profile, you'll see different parameters working here. So how does this filter work and why should you use this filter, right? So before talking about scientific filter, I would like to talk about another filter, which is graphic equalizer. If I click and drag it here, I can just go to edit and I can change different parameters, and most of us know how this equalizer works, right? If I want to engage a high pass filter, what can I do? I can just decrease this section and decrease this section. So we know if I decrease this slider, it will engage high pass filter. I mean, it will cut out the frequency below 63 hertz, right? But the problem is we don't know how actually it is working. We don't know how the curve is working. Is it just cutting off the frequency below 63 hertz, or there is a curve there? We don't know about it, right? So to eliminate this problem, Premiere Pro has included this scientific filter, right? If I go here, then I can go to edit, and here you see different method. From here you can see 4 different method to use. Suppose if I select the high pass filter, I can select the Basel high pass filter. So the Basel method is made by a German mathematician in 18th century, and from there it has been used in different purpose. So here the graph works very linearly, right? You can see the graph from here, right? If I select another one, suppose I'm selecting the Butterworth that was made by an English scientist. So here you can see the Butterworth filter is giving a flatter response, and many people like this method, right? Again, you can select Chebyshev, which is made by a Russian mathematician. You can select that one. It is giving a different frequency response. Again, there is elliptical filter. So that is different method that you can use for a single filter. Suppose I can use 4 different method for high pass filter. If I select low pass filter, here I can also select 4 different method, and depending on the method you have selected from here, you can change the parameters. Suppose I'm selecting high pass filter and I'm selecting the Chebyshev, this one, or I'm selecting the elliptical, and from here I can select the cutoff frequency. If I want to cut off the frequency below 90 hertz, I can select that one from here. It is cutting off the frequency below 90 hertz, and then I can select order and stop attenuation, right? So that is different method is well accepted throughout the world. If you like any of the method, you can use the filter according to that method. And if you want to learn more about this method, you can Google it. Suppose if you want to learn about the Basel method, you can go to Wikipedia, and there you'll see the article about this Basel method, and you can learn about it from here. So if you want to be very technical about the filter you are using for your audio processing, you can use a scientific filter. Most of the case you don't need to use that. I don't use it also, but it is great to know about it, right? So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you need this channel, want to learn Adobe Premiere Pro video editing or filmmaking, you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.